Hello everyone. In this video we'll discuss about the energy of a fluid. Now how many types of energies a fluid can have? Suppose we have a pipe and we lift that pipe from the ground. So at that time it will have some potential energy. Now in case the fluid is flowing through it, we can say that it has kinetic energy. And there is one more energy. If the fluid is flowing through it, you can say that it has pressure energy also. So we have basically three types of energies in a fluid. So first I am mentioning this is kinetic energy. Then we have potential energy. Then we have pressure energy. I'm writing it like this because we are going to discuss different forms of these energies of fluid, which is used for different forms of a formula which we'll discuss later. So if we're talking about pressure energy, kinetic energy is very much clear to everyone. This is half mv square. This is mgh, right? But if we're talking about pressure energy, we'll have to find the formula for that. How? We know that work is force into displacement. Right? And force can be written for, this work will be energy actually. So this force is due to the pressure. So you can write pressure into area into displacement. Now if you look at this term, that we have area this and then displacement this, then obviously A into displacement is equal to volume, right? So I can write that this is P into V. This is the work, or you can say that this is the pressure energy. So I'm writing all this in the bracket for the explanation. And I'm writing the basic formula for the pressure energy, that is pressure into volume. Then we have one more form. This is the basic formulas I have written. And then I'm writing energy upon weight. This is called as head. Head means, I'll just tell you, if I'm writing half mv square upon mg, so this is v square upon 2g because m will be cancelled. This is called as velocity head. Okay. Now here if I divide it, I'll get mgh upon mg. So this gives me h. This is called as gravitational head. If I am dividing this will be PV upon mg. So you can write it P upon rho g, where density is mass upon volume. So that's why I have replaced mass upon volume by density. So this is the formula. This is called as pressure head. Then we have third form. In third form, we divide it by volume. So energy per unit volume. So for this, what will I write? I will write half mv square upon volume. So this gives me half rho v square, because mass upon volume is density, right? So here also I can write mgh upon volume. This gives me rho gh. Why? Because mass upon volume is again density. Now here upon volume, this gives me pressure, because volume cancels. So these are the three forms for the energies of a fluid. So that's all for now about the energies of fluid. Thank you and have a nice day.